How to download and install DeepSeek app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to download the DeepSeek application on a device, simply launch the Play Store application and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. Now tap on the search bar and search for the application of DeepSeek. So here you can see the option of DeepSeek. So just tap on it and then tap on install. Now while it's installing on your device, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device so that it gets installed and the process of this installing gets faster. So you can just wait for a while the application gets installed and downloaded on your device. So we're going to wait for a while. So as you can see, it has already been installed. So we're just going to see the application over here. So just tap on the DeepSeek application. And as you tap on it, it will welcome you. So just tap on agree. And here, in order to create an account over here, you just have to enter your email or your password. And if it's new for you, you can create a new, or you can just sign up over here, or you can sign up with Google as well. So that's how you download and install DeepSeek app. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.